Mental health care is no longer a luxury, it is a necessity. In a country where millions are silently struggling, one young woman chose to turn compassion into action. Driven by a deep understanding of the gaps in mental health care, Nancy set out to create more than just a clinic. She envisioned a safe space where conversations about mental well-being are welcomed, where care is both professional and humane, and where healing is considered a right, not a privilege. Through MyAfya Africa, she is breaking down stigma, expanding access to quality mental health services, and reminding communities that seeking help is a sign of strength.
So having worked in the clinical setup, I saw systems when they are fragmented, inaccessible, and sometimes they don't serve the people. And that, in a way, helped me to see that most people would look for mental health experience or support in a crisis. And for me, I needed to bring services that are available, accessible, and scalable. That is what led to the birth of MyAfya Africa. And I would say COVID really shaped and augmented the developing and actualizing the idea and the thoughts behind MyAfya Africa. So considering that at this point in time, I needed to have something that is not done in the clinical setup like a consultancy and to launch it out there. So this needed more structuring, needed to have mentorship that I didn't know where to look for it. But when I looked at what Women in Tech program was offering, and of course it was a chance, so I had to apply and see whether I'll get the opportunity, which luckily I got and got onboarded as a top 15 and went through the program. So that really helped because I needed the mentorship and the support and the coaching at that point. So for me, I would say it was really a moment for me. The whole program really served the purpose it was intended to serve for me. Because the way I came in is not the way I left. I felt like I came in a bit timid, shy, unsure, but I left more informed, more polished, more strategic than I was when I was coming there. So I actually had a sense of direction. I knew what to guide my energy into. So yes, as much as I did not end up at the top 7 and get the funding, the seed funding, that did not deter me from always going back and saying there is something else we needed to do. Like I've always emphasized, we need to have a program for mental health for the people who are doing the entrepreneurship, because it's a lonely space, it's very stressful, but much more is a network I got from the team that I was working with, especially because I still tap into the people who are in health space to see how they are doing, how they're able to do it. So Women in Tech gave out a product that today when I look back, I usually see if I didn't have Women in Tech, I wouldn't be where I am today. And the mentor that I got from there has been instrumental to date. So as a young person out there, if you have a thought, an idea, or something you want to actualize, don't let fear hold you back. Because that which you haven't tried, you never know it is what we are looking for to save the world.